Hello everybody, welcome back to Perfecting English with Tadela. Today we're going to learn about pronunciation on regular verbs. Okay, regular verbs take always the suffix ed to the end of them in order to make their past simple and a past participle form. In this case, it might be somewhat difficult reading the regular verbs with the suffix ed. So that is a lesson which we're going to study for today. Pronunciation on regular verbs. Pronunciation on regular verbs. There are three types of verbs in English: regular verbs, irregular verbs, and exceptional verbs. The regular verbs take the suffix ed to form their past simple and a past participle form, whereas the irregular verbs are changing annually. They are somewhat difficult, like American English, like aqueous English, which is not clear about rules, and exceptional verbs that never take the suffix ed. They are exceptional. They have their own rules. Okay, now let's go back to our lesson about pronunciation. So pronunciation on regular verbs. How to read regular verbs with the suffix ed. In this lesson, we're going to practice the easiest and the simplest way of reading pronunciation on regular verbs with the suffix ed. Okay, let's write some regular verbs. Fired, opened. Okay, these verbs are regular because they took the suffix ed to the end of their form. Here is an example. For example, fire is a regular verb because it takes the suffix ed. Fired, called, opened, played. Fired, called, opened, played. The regular verbs and took the suffix ed is called their ed sound. Okay, let's go back to t sound. Many words in English can be pronounced as t sound when they end up with the letter K, LK, K, S, and WS. They are pronounced as T sound. Okay, let's write some examples of words that are pronounced as T sound. Okay. Talked, talked. Walked, missed, cooked. Here are T sound words pronounced as T because they end up with K, LK, K, S, and WS. For example, walked, talked, walked, missed, cooked. So they are T sounds. T sounds because they end up with the letter K, LK, KE, S, and WS. They are pronounced as T sound. What about ed sound? As you can understand from the vowel ed, it's long sound. Ed sound. It is a long sound. However, it's made on regular verbs. For example, need, needed, needed. Okay. Started, started. You may say started, started. It is sound. Wanted, I wanted you. I wanted a book. Fretted. So here are, these are ed sound because they are with long vowel sounds. However, they end up with the suffix ed. They are pronounced as ed sound. Needed, needed, started, wanted, fretted. So this is all about pronunciation of regular verbs. Regular verbs that take the suffix ed can be pronounced as d sound, like fired, called, opened, played, died, tried, and poured. Okay. What about T sound? They are pronounced as T. However, the word ends up with K, LK, K, S, and WS. They are pronounced as T sound. Talked, walked, missed, cocked. It is sound, knitted, started, wanted, threatened. That was the lesson we are for today about pronunciation of regular verbs. I hope you've got a very important and examining point on the regular verbs. Please don't forget to subscribe in order to get the best lesson and notification. I will be back with another lesson. Cheerio.